Now the next question that we will do is from exercise 7, page number 43. We'll do question number 2. The question says, in class 2 there are 46 girls and 38 boys. How many more girls are there? So to understand the question, we will draw the bars like this. Okay, so here we have drawn a red colored bar which is longer to represent 46 girls, and the number of boys, which is 38, is represented by a blue colored bar which is shorter than the red bar. Okay, now here we have to find the number of more girls than boys. So here we can see this is the value that we have to find, which represents the number of more girls than boys. So how can we find this value? We can find it by subtracting this value, that is number of boys, from the total, that is number of girls. So that is, we can get the number of more girls by subtracting 38 from 46. Okay children, so that is the reason why we are subtracting here. So let us go back to the question. The first step will be for the number which is bigger here, that is 46. So what will be the step for this? That will be number of girls. And how many girls are there? There are 46 girls. That we'll write in the last two blocks below, tens and ones column. Now the next step will be for number of boys. So the step for the same will be number of boys. Then we have 38 in the last two boxes below tens and ones. Okay. Now we have already seen that we have to subtract here to find the answer. So the third step that we will write is number of more girls than boys. So here we can find it by, we'll put a minus sign here. We'll draw two lines and then we can subtract. So here we can see at ones place we have 6 and 8. That means we have to subtract 8 from 6. But this is not possible because 8 is bigger than 6. So for that we will borrow 1 from 4. So 4 will become 3 and 6 will become 16. Okay. Now we can easily subtract. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer for this will be, there are 8 more girls than boys. So this is the way how we will solve this story sum. So after this children, you have to solve this question number 3, 4 and 5 by your own. Thank you so much.